What's up, loves? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Hannah, and if it's not your first time, thank you so much for coming back. And to my new subscribers, oh my god, guys, I love you so much. Welcome to the family. Thank you so much for subscribing. And the fact that I've not been consistent enough lately, I really appreciate that you still trusted and went ahead to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. God bless you. Oh, I'm sorry I've not really been consistent on YouTube lately. It's really hard mixing being a student and being a YouTuber together, but I promise I'm gonna do better. I'm going to try my best. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do butterfly locks. I saw it was popping a lot on YouTube a few months ago, and I was too busy to hump on the trend. I'm probably late to the trend, but I don't care. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my own method on achieving this hairstyle. I'm going to start by making box braids all through my hair, and it's very important to have some kind of styling gel like Shine and Jam, Style Factor. Those are the two main styling gels I know. Right now I'm using the Shine and Jam, which is very nice. It was my first time getting this product, and I'll tell you guys I did not regret it. So if you don't have any style product, it does not have to be Style and Jam, it can be Edge Factor or any other good styler gel out there. Just use it to be very good for hairstyles like this. So to make my box braid, I'm starting with my natural hair, then I'm going to add the extensions towards the ends. The reason why I'm doing this, first off, is because I'm managing hair, and secondly because I really don't want too much extensions. I wanted it to be easy when I come in to use the crochet hook on it. Basically, this style I'm doing is kind of like making knotless braids. I have a video on my channel on how to make knotless braids. If you have not seen that video, I'm going to attach it somewhere on the screen so you go check it out. So I'm basically going to be doing this all through my hair before I start crocheting these butterfly locks. Also, if you guys would like to see a separate video on how I part my hair, just a video specifically showing you guys how I part my hair, do let me know in the comment section and I will drop that video. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that this butterfly locks is gonna be a bob butterfly locks. I don't know if to call it exactly a bob butterfly locks because it's a little bit longer than my shoulder length, so maybe I'll call it medium bob. But yeah, just wanted to state that out. Now that my box braids are ready, let's get into the butterfly lock. I'm using the cheris hair. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. If you live in Hungary, I'm going to leave the Instagram name of the girl who I got this hair from, but usually I'm sure you can get it from AliExpress. And the longer one, I actually had it before. I used it for passion twist in the past, so I'm just using the rest of the hair for this style. I didn't have to order anything. I'm just using leftover hair, nothing serious. So, but any link I can find to what looks like this, I'm going to put it in the description box for you guys. So as you can see, I had to separate the hair first. Just watch carefully how I do it so it will be easier, because if you don't get it done well, you're going to waste hair. And I was really trying my best to manage hair as much as I can because I didn't even have enough like that. So watch carefully how I separate it to avoid wasting hair. So guys, right now we are going to be passing the extensions across my hair from the root using the crochet hook. After passing the extensions across my root, I'm going to make one side of the extensions longer than the other and start tying it. I tie it around the root very tight for about 4 to 5 times. even sometimes 6 times, just to make sure it's very tight and firm there in the root. Now I'm going to show you guys how to achieve the old butterfly look. While holding that very strand I've been using to tie around, I put my hand in between it and then just keep tying around it. It's pretty much like that. You keep doing the same thing for any part that you want to have the butterfly look. If you want more of it than I had on mine, you can do it as much as you want just to get that butterfly thingy. It's your choice. This is basically what you have to do to get the whole butterfly thingy. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the process again. I'm hoping it's self-explanatory, but if you have any questions for me, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help. So when you get to the ends of the hair, what you do is start tying back up the same way, but you just continue tying back up till the end of the hair. Basically the hair finishes, just keep tying. And when you're done with that, I personally use this got to be glued spray. Some people use normal glue for hair, but this is what I have and that's what I use. So you use whichever hair glue is good for you. Alright, when I'm done, I'm just going to cut the ends where the excess hair is. And yeah, so right now I'm just going to show you the whole process again, just so you can see it again. And I'm really hoping this is helpful and self-explanatory, so enjoy. Guys, for real, as I said earlier, please just leave me a comment if you have any question. I'm going to be down in the comment section just eyeing you guys and waiting for your questions. So drop questions, okay? Drop a comment, okay? All right, enjoy now. When I finished with everything, I oiled my scalp because I didn't have time to do that while I was sectioning my hair. After that, I'm also going to be applying mousse, and that is basically it. During the winter especially, it's very important for your scalps to not be dry. This winter is basically like sucking out all the good stuff from your scalp. So guys, please make sure your hair or your scalp are protected. You oil them, you moisturize your hair. It's very important. Even when your hair is on braids, please make sure your hair is moisturized and your scalps are oily, at least a little bit. I'm not saying oil should go and be dripping down your face, but you get my point. Now that I'm done, I'm going to be applying this mousse on my hair. I'm going to leave the actual name in the description box because I don't know how to pronounce it. And as I always say, guys, use whichever product that works for you and your hair. This product might work for me and might not work for you. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Hit that like button and notification button to know when I upload a new video. And guys, I have some really nice lit pictures on Instagram of this hairstyle. Go check it out and I will see you all in my next one. Kisses.